So the preparations that you need to do before a Zumba fitness session starts is, first of all, make sure that if you come with some health history, take permission from your doctor and then only step into a Zumba fitness session. Second thing, if you have a session early in the morning, you should have something in your body and some energy source, because if you have been sleeping the entire night, you did not eat anything, right, and in the morning also without eating anything, if you walk into the session, that's like placing too much demand on the body. So you need to eat something 45 minutes before the session. Third, you need to come in the right gear. By right gear I mean right pair of t-shirt and bottoms. Anything that is active wear is appropriate. Women's sports bra is a must. And yes, a Zumba fitness session also requires a special shoe which is called a dance shoe. So let's talk about those, what you need to do while you are in a Zumba fitness session, while a session is going on. Okay, so Zumba fitness session is a non-stop session. It involves non-stop dancing. So when there is one session that is already going on and you are into it, all you need to do is smile and let it flow. And if it's your first session, there may be times when you may not be able to have a hold on one step, and by the time you understand one step, the trainer is already on some other step. It's okay, guys. I mean, take it easy, let it flow, and don't stop. And whatever version of the trainer step you understand, whatever you can do, just do it. Give in your 100% and that's it. And later on, you can move on to cleaning those steps, because Zumba is a format that involves dance forms from all over the world, and we all don't know dance forms which belong to all over the world. So it's okay. I mean, you will take 3-4 sessions to get hold on to the trainers. Now, talking about the don'ts, a Zumba fitness session is not only about dancing, it also involves a lot of functional movements, a lot of exercises apart from dancing, which may involve a squat, a lunge, a star jump, a plank, whatever your trainer demands you to do. So if in case you have been exercising earlier and you know how to perform a right squat or a right lunge, go ahead. If you don't know this, if you're new to exercising, guys, I would suggest you that seek your trainer's assistance in this. I suppose that your trainer will himself or herself rectify you if you're doing it wrong, but if in case the trainer is not able to look at you during the flow of the session, just seek his attention. And if it is not possible, and if you think that you're not doing it right, withdraw, because we don't want you to have permanent muscular imbalances while performing wrong postures, because if you're doing a wrong squat, this may lead to permanent issues in your posture, which may lead to long-term pain in muscles and everything.